Alright, gonna create a guessing game. So the user will ask the computer, or rather, the computer will pick a random number from 0 to 10, and then the user has to guess one number that is. They get 3 tries, and if they don't get it within those 3 tries, the game ends and they lose, and they can decide whether they want to play a game or not, play again or not. But if they get it right, um, the game ends, but they can play again if they want to, and they don't get it right, they get another guess until they lose all their guesses, right? So for this, I'm going to be using scanner to get user input and random for the random number itself. But scanner, this will be pointing to scanner. We import the random. Then we gotta initiate it, so it's gonna be scanner. We'll call this scan, and then it's gonna be new scanner system. Then we're gonna be using random. Call this rand. New random, and semicolon at the end. Don't forget your semicolons. So while true, this is what our game is going to be. Our loop. So we want to I guess we want to declare our variable here, our random variable. So int random integer would be rand the next int. Yeah. So we declare that. Then what else do we gotta do? So we're going to also create a guess counter to check how many guesses they have, and this is going to be 0. Oh, I forgot to. There we go. And then this is going to be we're also going to make whether they guessed it or not, if they got the guess right or not. So it's going to be guess correctly. It's going to be false first. Oh, and also for the integer, we wanted to guess from 0 to 10, so we're going to make it 11. Okay, then while we're here, we're going to declare another, actually no, I also want to add some text for the user. Okay, computer has guessed, actually no, that's a little, guess the number. You have 3 guesses. Or should I say guess the integer from 0 to 10. Yeah. Oh, type system instead of system. There we go. Then we create another while loop. This is where our actual guessing game is going to be. And it's going to be as long as our guess counter is less than 3, because you get 3 guesses. As long as it's less than 3, you get to keep going. So we're going to okay, so this way the user starts guessing. So it's going to be I'm gonna do this. Add another text for the user. Enter guess here. Do this. Then we're going to do create your guess. It's gonna be Vicious scanner dot next int. Yeah. So after we also got to increase the guess counter. Yes, got to increase the guess counter because for every guess you get plus one guess. You get the guess counter increases, so it can end the loop. Okay, so if that guess you made, if your guess is equal to the random guess, then you win. So here's the text here. It says yippee, you win, or you guessed the number correctly. Oh, semicolon. I spelled correctly well. Okay. Then, okay, that's fine. Now, let's do an else if. This an else if is? Yeah, an else if they, if your guess is less than the computer's random number, yeah, that's less than, then it's gonna say system out the print line. The computer's gonna go, oh, it's your number is lower, or rather, yeah, your number is lower than. I'll just say your number is lower. That should be fine. Then else, oops, else system that's print line. So this should be if the number is higher. You should say your number is higher. Oh, semicolon. Oh, okay. What else do we need to do? Okay, so after this, it's gonna keep going on and on until the guess counter hits. Okay, I forgot to put a break here because once we're done with this, it's going to we need to like end the loop if you get it right. So yeah, and then if they didn't guess the number correctly after 3 tries, so if actually no, okay, yeah, if guess correctly, or if not guess correctly, then to say you system out the print line. Oops. A print line. We're gonna say you ran out of guesses. The correct number was, and then we put a semicolon here and a plus, and then we're gonna put the number, the random number that the computer picked. then we're going to ask them if they want to play again. So system.out.println, do or would you like to play again? And it's going to be yes or no. Oops. Yes or no. And we're going to get the user inputs. So user answer, I guess. Oh, sorry, actually, this is string. User answer. We call that user answer is scanner, the next line. Yeah. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna say if user answer is equal to, we're gonna in our case equal to no, right? And then it then breaks. We break the loop, and that just ends the game, right? And then if it's yes, it just restarts the loop automatically, starting from where it declares a new random number. It'll start over again. Okay, so I think, okay, so when it ends the loop, I'm gonna put a little, oops, let's go this way. Put a little something that says the program ended. I hope I'm putting this right. Yes, I am. I spelled system wrong again. So out the print line is program ended. Semicolon. And something I also see a lot of people do, they do scanner close. I guess this is like saying I'm done using the scanner. So I guess that helps. Okay, so let's just check everything one more time. Hopefully this works. And we run. Let's run it. Okay, so I'm gonna guess 5. Let's push this up a little bit. My number is lower. Okay, so that means it's higher than 5. So I'm gonna pick 7. My number is lower, so I got it's between 8, 9, and 10. And I'm gonna guess 9. I got it right. Okay. Oh, it didn't give me the option to let me play again. Huh. Let's stop running this. I think what we can do, I guess we can add one more extra line here. So, because for some reason it skips this, so we're gonna make another one here to skip this. I'm not sure why I've had problems like this before, so I'm just gonna do that. I'm not sure what the logic is behind this, but it should work, right? We'll run it again. Let's see if that works. Okay, what's my number? I'm gonna guess 5 again. The number is higher, so it's less than 5. We're gonna do 3. The number is still higher, so it's between 0, 1, and 2. And I'm gonna guess 0 here. Oh, I ran out of 1. I ran out of guesses. Would I like to play again? Oh, it did fix it. Okay, good. Yes, I want to play again. So I'm gonna guess 8 this time. Oh, I guessed it right immediately. Okay. Well, that's the end of the thing. Guess it worked out fine. Looks good. Thank you for watching.